My dearest Olivia, if I thought the gardens stirred something between them, last evening at Ashcombe has only confirmed it. The dinner itself was pleasant enough, but it was afterward, when guests began to drift toward their farewells, that the evening truly mattered. Your Julian, yes, I believe we must start calling him that, made every polite effort to appear composed, but the truth? He watched Evie the way a man does when he has decided upon a course and intends to see it through. He followed her into the corridor just as she meant to rejoin me, not in any improper way, of course, merely with that careful urgency men adopt when time suddenly feels like an adversary. They spoke with the civility society expects, at first. Gentle conversation, soft smiles. He listened to her far too closely for mere courtesy, and she tried very hard not to seem pleased by it. And then, with a steadiness that rather surprised me, he confessed his wish to know her better. Not flirtation, not idle charm. He asked to call upon her, formally, respectfully, and with a sincerity that left Evie momentarily without words. Oh, how she tried to hide her delight. She failed, naturally, a flicker of warmth in her eyes, a breath she did not realize she'd been holding. And then that careful strength of hers returned. She agreed, but cautiously. Always cautiously. You know why she guards herself. The heart she protects is more fragile than she allows the world to see. But Julian St. Clare does not seem deterred in the slightest. If anything, I suspect her reserve only strengthens his resolve. So here we stand, dear sister, on the edge of something that feels wonderfully inevitable. And between us, Olivia, if fate is kind, I believe your daughter may soon learn that not every enchantment is something to fear.